Hello everyone, my name is Palak. I'm your health coach at Besugarfit, and today I'll be telling you how you can get one step closer to achieving controlled managed diabetes or diabetes reversal by not just adjusting your food and the diet that you take, but also focusing on the physical activity. The first exercise is burpees, which will help you lose a lot of fat in a very short span of time. It's one of the most beginner friendly exercises. All you have to do is stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then jump to a squat position and put your hands on the floor, jumping your feet back into a plank position. Now just jump and come back to your normal position and jump again with your hands straight up in the air. This is called a burpee. You can repeat this exercise for 5 to 10 repetitions depending on your stamina. If you're a beginner who's just starting out exercises at home, you can just skip the jump at the end. The second exercise is skipping, where all you need is a skip rope, and this is something that we've been playing since childhood. So this is going to activate your muscles like your calves and your thighs, and this is going to use up all the glucose from the bloodstream, converting it into sugar, and is an excellent exercise not just to lose weight and also to reduce your blood sugar level. So do this depending on how much your strength and stamina is. As you improve, you can increase the number of repetitions. 20 would be a great number to start with. The next exercise is squat jump. This is a very effective exercise to not only lose your weight but also to tone your muscles. All you have to do is first make sure that your upper body and back are straight, and then lower your butt as if you're sitting on an imaginary chair, making sure that your core is strong and you're strengthening it, and then you launch into a jump and get back softly on your feet, repeating to a squat and then a jump. This is going to effectively tone your calves, thighs and lower body muscles along with losing weight. The next exercise would be a frog jump, which is quite similar to a squat jump, except you need to keep your feet at a 45-degree angle and then lower your butt down as if you're sitting on an imaginary chair, and then again explosively jumping up and landing soft on your feet. You can start by repeating these for 10 repetitions, and as your strength and your stamina grows, you can start increasing the number of repetitions and increasing the number of sets with a small gap in between, or a small 15 to 20 second break in between. It is a great exercise to tone your arms, your chest and also your calves. This is something that is going to exceptionally work if you're trying to not just tone your muscles but also lose some weight. All you have to do is keep your palms on the ground, make sure your elbow is straight and your back is straight, and then taking one knee and bringing it closer to your chest, then pushing it back and doing the same with the other knee, repeating them as fast as you can. This is going to help increase your cardiovascular movement. It is also going to help lose that extra weight. As you can do more and more, as your stamina improves, you can start increasing the duration. Start with 30 seconds and take it up from there. The next exercise would be plank jacks. This is also one very effective and a holistic way to lose a lot of fat around your body. All you have to do is go into a plank position with your wrists parallel to your shoulders, and then from a plank position where your toes are close to each other, you need to spread them, jump out with your toes as wide as you can, and then bring it back together, ensuring that you go extremely wide where you fall down, but just slightly wide enough. So you need to repeat this. You need to jump out with your toes and then jump back in. This is going to be very, very good to tone your thighs, your calves and all of these muscle groups. So let's make sure to include them into your home workout as well. Next exercise is jumping lunges, where you simply go to a lunge position and then switch your legs while jumping mid-air, keeping the other foot back. This exercise you need to repeat for at least 30 seconds. Take a small break and then you can repeat another set. Start with 30 seconds and gradually increase it, as it is very good to increase your stamina and also reduce the fat around your body. The next exercise would be high knees, which as the name suggests is quite easy. All you have to do is stand straight and elevate your knee, bringing them closer to your chest, and then alternating it with the next leg, repeating the same movement. If you are a beginner, this is how you must do it. In case if you feel that you begin to an intermediate level and you can do a bit more, then you can jump while switching your legs up. The next exercise will be the famous plank. This is going to help strengthen your core, your arms, your chest, your glutes, and even some part of your legs. You must start with about 15 to 30 seconds and then gradually increase the time as your stamina and your strength improves. This is not only going to help strengthen your lower back, your arms, chest, but it's also going to work on your core, reducing your belly, which in turn is going to help reduce your insulin resistance. The last exercise is a push-up, which nobody requires any introduction to. It's very easy, very simple to begin with. If you're a beginner, you should start by pressing your chest against the wall. So start from the wall so that your arm strength can increase. As you gradually feel that the burn is happening a bit less, you can start shifting to the ground where you keep your knees on the floor and do the movement. This is not only going to help you lose weight and fat, but it is going to tone your arms and your chest. So let's get started with these exercises at home, which will help you not only reduce your blood sugar levels, lose weight and fat, but also to get a great physique and a great look for your change. So make sure to try all of these exercises at home. Do physical activity for at least 30 minutes, 5 times a week. That will help you to achieve a good weight loss along with a toned body. Thank you so much for watching.